Well, good morning, boys and girls. Today, we will
Alright, shut up. You're in it. Yeah.
E36.
Got the other broken car. Oh look, it's already peeling.
The high-quality eBay.
The eBay fog light. Wow, why is it like shifting in the lens? It's okay. Look at all that. Wrong size?
It might help if I grab a 17.
Not a 19?
Yep.
Yep. You've been working on the Honda too much, boy.
Shut up.
Cool.
It's not that bad.
That's pretty bad.
Boy.
You should probably rotate them. You can take
Yeah.
them off by hand.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty class.
That's actually, I didn't see the inside.
Ooh, I need new brake pads.
Dude, alright, that's what I've noticed is we always like think our cars are really in really good shape until we take the tires off or inspect the brakes.
They're in horrible condition.
Or
We
do
just tell
something.
ourselves they're not.
Yeah, exactly. So those are the ugly ball joints that nobody likes. And they're going to be replaced. Nice. So, oof. Your control arm bushings are also gone.
I need an alignment so bad.
Yeah, you need an alignment too. Oh my gosh. That's what it is. It's not, it's your inner ball joint. Look at it. You can just visibly see it.
It's non-existent.
Yep. So, this is the moves.
That's not good.
Your number 3 is a little knackered. At least my tires aren't worn down that much.
Yeah, because you've only put 1,000 miles on the car.
Huh?
What about that drive shaft vibration?
Sorry, I don't speak the truth. Yeah, you look inside and there's, oh yes, there's wheel bearings and a broken shifter and a reverse light that doesn't exist anymore. Oh wow, the car is very steamy in here. I'm gonna roll down the windows. Beautiful check engine. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta do this to show how bad mine are. Yeah, mine are gone. You're gonna need a bigger ratchet than that.
You need a braking bar.
Or just put your 1/2 inch.
Or you can just be a man.
I don't think you know how to do that.
Ooh, crusty.
You want to go? Do you want me? Do you have any like vinegar or something?
Yeah, I'll grab some.
Or just get some of that denatured alcohol, boy. I'll tell you what.
I'm Scotty Kilmer. Here's how to do it the wrong way.
Just
Don't take it to a shop.
take it to someone who doesn't use jack stands or torque anything.
If you use your jack the right way,
If you
it
use
needs
your
to
jack,
hold it.
Scotty Kilmer, the kind of person to torque his valve on his jack so it won't lose pressure and not
Now we
torque
could
his
fall
lug
on
nuts.
you and you'd have a really bad day.
Insert a picture of a donkey here when he laughs. Yeah, I am a healthy 2 meters away from you right now.
I don't care. Cough on
Yeah.
me.
But yeah, so I don't know. They said Colorado's doing real well with their cases. I was looking at some of the stuff.
Dropped a little bit because most of the rednecks that lick doorknobs have probably died by now.
Glad you got that one on camera. I mean, hey, it's true. Give me liberty or give me death, boy, I'll tell you what. And then they actually give death, and you're like, oh.
Billy Bob Joe died that night because he licked the toilet seat.
Yeah, it's like, wait, you're saying I can't cough on all the fresh produce? What? I can't fondle doorknobs and then fist myself? What?
Sorry, I don't shop at Walmart, so I'm not,
Oh,
I'm not aware of that.
I was about to say, wait, what? You can't.
You can't boof toilet water? What?
Let's see if I have a 20.
Yes, that's a very... Yeah, why don't you go take a jack underneath?
It's fine. It's held
Or
up
no,
by
you
the
can
shock.
just... Yeah, you can just...
I won't break nothing. So
and
then the
just
hardest
pry
part.
it. Pressing the ball joints out. What, so did you really just wail
I
on
just
that thing
hit it
until
once, like straight on, and it popped right out. Perfect.
Cool. So the easiest thing to do is to...
Take the rotor off.
you probably
take
shouldn't
the.
have your caliper hanging.
Do I care? Look at these brake lines. They're trash. I need to replace them anyways.
So basically just drop that thing.
Drop
All right.
the rotor, drop
So-
the ABS sensor.
Here's the damage. The final product. Control arm bushings are absolutely gone. Absolutely gone. Ball joint is absolutely gone. Ball joint is absolutely gone. And getting replaced. This one will fit here too, which it does. And it is the exact same part, and you just line them up and you press them through. Cool. Complete learning experience, because we do see these clips that prevent you from actually pressing in the ball joints. They've got this weird floating style right there. They're actually not connected, but they press in right here.
We need to elevate it so it doesn't just hit the ground. Like a rock.
Yeah.
Oh, I broke the rock.
That didn't move from
No,
where
it
it
did
was.
not.
All right. With the ball joint press, these threads are too tall to put it in. So what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna cut this off, and then we'll have a lot more force to press down on that from here. We've got this cup lined up against the back. This going down, pressing right on the ball. We'll get it out. Maybe we'll just break it off with a hammer now. Oh, cool. Now,
Now to press.
because it's pressing on the whole thing, because we have until here, and if that's still within it,
Yeah.
if we can just do this, the cup underneath it.
I bet a few twists on this will get her done.
Yeah.
Bet.
What we need to do is now find a cup that'll go through here and actually slide through. Them clips out.
One of them.
We're gonna have to, but
Wait.
the issue is still gonna have to cut all of this out. This entire side part of the clip needs to go as well.
Oh.
We have to, so if you look at this ball joint,
Yep.
see how that's, if you compare the two, see how these have those tabs sticking
Yeah,
out?
that's the OEM tab.
Yeah,
The
and
new
we're
ones
gonna
do
have
not
to,
have
and
that.
these just press straight in.
Yes. Dude, this thing's pressing out. Literally.
I see that.
Let me just zip these tabs off from the side.
Yeah, and then it should, you might
Should
be able
just
to
push
just,
out. Out we go. Now we just have to figure out how to get that out.
oh, the
This
rubber
ring
on
out,
the
yeah.
inside.
Yeah, because it's all part of that metal ring.
Middle one being quote-unquote non-serviceable, that was actually the easiest. This one, since it's got that floating little ring, you can see we're making progress on it, but not enough. That's doing fine, but this isn't. So we're gonna have to figure out, we're thinking, and nick the control arm there too, rip. We're thinking the best thing to do is to just make cuts in it, like that, and go for them. Have you hit metal yet even? Or?
Yeah, I'm just almost all the way through. Pretty damn close. This is just a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it's just who would design? I really don't even know of any benefits for this.
There's
If
not.
the solid ones are an upgrade. Like, I really don't understand how this is smart.
They're German, they're not.
Oh, that moved it. There you go.
Just destroyed the structural integrity, and we are done.
Alright, let's go. And now, you just take the lollipop off in the most ghetto way possible. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go.
Control arm, done. And they say it's not serviceable.
They's not serviceable. Nah.
Anything's serviceable if you're poor and have time.
God, that's the truth.
There we go.
Which one did I say? Did I say this one?
Yeah.
But before you wail on it, we gotta check the threads. Because the last thing you want to do is be pushing the ball joint into the... Try that breaker bar now, maybe. I think that's worth saving $60.
I agree.
I don't mind doing that.
Nope. That
I
wasn't
mean,
as bad as I thought.
Yeah, like I said, these are a couple of hours and some swear words is totally worth where to line up that notch, and then so that's just gonna drop in like that. Set these right there,
Going in the freezer.
and that.
I should have put these in last night.
Joints out of the freezer. We should just line up that tab, and it should be able to go in all right.
That's not pressing in straight.
Change the fittings, and it's going in.
It's very stiff.
Yeah. Non-replaceable, my ass. They just want money. God, I'm such a boomer. I'll do it the hard way, damn it. If that means I save $60, that's a tank of gas.
It's like 3 tanks of gas during Corona.
Shit, you're right. You're close.
We need you to be about 100 pounds fatter. Where's Ian? Got it.
Oh, never mind. And air tools go.
And he goes, I'm gonna get it.
Hand tools go. Boink. So close. You're so close. You've just got that small.
All right, here, I'm gonna stand on this end. You stand on that.
That. For those who said these weren't serviceable, you were wrong. That took 4 hours. Well, realistically, it took about 2.5, including breaks.
For the fridge.
Yeah. There you go. And oh, she's firm. Cool. Ball joints are in. And everything's looking good. Now we just wait on control arm bushings, and we're going to throw motor mounts in that thing, and I don't know if I want to do wheel bearings yet. Our cars are old and they're broken. Cool.
It's because it's yellow wire, dude. It won't hold anything.
Yeah, the yellow wire.
Oh, that's very warm.
Ah, yes. You have
Oh, yes.
lead in the
yeah,
laundry.
that's very warm.
This is that reverse light shit the bed. Because from the manual swap, right, so we have, this is the automatic harness, pins 2 and 3 on the automatic harness go to your reverse lights. Also, my central locking stopped working. That's great. These are the pins from the harness. These 2 wires are the ones that I just made. I have to connect these to that, and then I'm going to short them, see if it works. Same thing with this central locking thing. I don't know if the switch just broke or what. It's a sad day. But I think I'm also going to grab some zip ties in here and, you know, tie everything up real well so none of this gets in the way when I'm banging gears and slaying queers. Sorry, I'm an idiot.
Yeah, look up a tutorial by somebody who knows what they're trying to do. And there you go.
Wow, cool.
Nice and
Now we
tight,
test it
yes.
for conductivity.
Yes.
Woohoo.